Hello friends, welcome to my education channel. Today we will discuss about 95 top refrigeration and air conditioning mechanical engineer multiple choice questions and answer list. Question number 1. A refrigerant should have. Correct answer B. High boiling point. Second. A standard ice point temperature correspond to the temperature of. Correct answer E. Mixture of ice and water under equilibrium condition. Question number 3. Vapor compression refrigeration is somewhat like. Correct answer E. None of the above. Which of the following cycle use air as the refrigerant? Correct answer D. Bell-Coleman cycle. Ammonia absorption refrigeration cycle requires. Correct answer A. Very little work input. Question number 6. An important characteristic of absorption system of refrigeration is. Correct answer quiet operation. The relative coefficient of performance is. Correct answer A. Actual COP divided by theoretical COP. Question number 8. Clapeyron equation is relation between temperature, pressure, specific volume and enthalpy. Question number 9. Clapeyron equation is applicable for registration at. Correct answer A. Saturation point of vapor. Question number 10. In vapor compression cycle, the condition of refrigerant is saturated liquid. Correct answer A. After passing through the condenser. Question number 11. In vapor compression cycle, the condition of refrigerant is very wet vapor. Correct answer E. Before entering the compressor. Question number 12. In vapor compression cycle, the condition of refrigerant is high pressure saturated liquid. Correct answer D. Before entering the expansion valve. Question number 13. In vapor compression cycle, the condition of refrigerant is superheated vapor. Correct answer B. Before passing through the condenser. In vapor compression cycle, the condition of refrigerant is dry saturated vapor. Correct answer E. Before entering the compressor. Question number 15. The boiling point of ammonia is. Correct answer is C. minus 33.3 degree centigrade. 1 ton of refrigeration is equal to the refrigeration effect corresponding to melting of 1000 kg of ice. Correct answer C. In 24 hours. Question number 17. 1 ton refrigeration correspond to. Correct answer A. 50 kilocalorie per minute. Question number 18. In SG unit, 1 ton of refrigeration is equal to. Correct answer A. 210 kilojoule per minute. Question number 19. The vapor compression refrigeration employs the following cycle. Correct answer E. Reverse Carnot cycle. Question number 20. Allowable pressure on high pressure side or ammonia absorption system is of the order of. Correct answer D. 5 to 6 bar. Question number 21. The moisture in a refrigerant is removed by. Correct answer D. Dryers. Question number 22. The condensing pressure due to the presence of non-condensable gas as compared to that actually required for condensing temperature without non-condensable gases. Correct answer A. Will be higher. Question number 13. Critical pressure of liquid is the pressure. Correct answer A. Above which liquid will remain liquid. Question number 24. Critical temperature is the temperature above which. Correct answer A gas will never liquefy. Question number 25. The refrigerant for a refrigerator should have. Correct answer C. High latent heat. Question number 26. Rating of a domestic refrigerator is of the order of. Correct answer A. 0.1 ton. Question number 27. The COP of a domestic refrigerator. Correct answer B. Is more than 1. The domestic refrigerator use following type of compressor. Correct answer D. Piston type reciprocating. Question number 29. Presence of moisture in a refrigerant affects the working of. Correct answer D. Expansion valve. Question number 30. Refrigeration is aeroplanes usually employs the following refrigerant. Correct answer D. Air. Question number 31. Domestic refrigerator working on vapor compression cycle uses the following type of expansion device. Correct answer D. Capillary tube. Question number 32. Air refrigeration operates on. Correct answer E. Brayton cycle. Question number 33. Air refrigeration cycle is used in. Correct answer D. Gas liquefaction. Question number 34. In a vapor compression cycle, the refrigerant immediately after expansion valve is. Correct answer D. Wet vapor. Question number 35. The vapor pressure of refrigerant should be. Correct answer B. Higher than atmospheric pressure. For better COP of refrigerator, the pressure range corresponding to temperature in evaporator and condenser must be. Correct answer A. Small. Question number 37. The bank of tubes at the back of domestic refrigerator are. Correct answer A. Condenser tubes. The higher temperature in vapor compression cycle occurs at. Correct answer E. Compressor discharge. Question number 39. Highest temperature encountered in refrigeration cycle should be. Correct answer D. Much below critical temperature. In refrigerator, liquid receiver is required between condenser and flow controlling device if quantity of refrigerant for system is. Correct answer B. More than or equal to 3.65 kg. Question number 41. Absorption system normally uses the following refrigerant. Correct answer E. Ammonia. Question number 42. One of the purpose of subcooling the liquid refrigerant is to. Correct answer D. Ensure that only liquid and not the vapor enters the expansion valve. Question number 43. The value of COP in vapor compression cycle is usually. Correct answer B. Always more than unity. In refrigeration system, heat absorbed in comparison to heat rejected is. Correct answer B. Less. Condensing temperature in a refrigerator is the temperature of. Correct answer D. At which refrigerant gas becomes liquid. Question number 46. Formation of frost on evaporator in refrigerator. Correct answer A. Result in loss of heat due to pure heat transfer. Question number 47. In refrigerator, the temperature difference between the evaporating refrigerant and the medium being cooled should be. Correct answer B. As low as possible. Question number 48. In a fluided evaporator refrigerator, an accumulator at section of compressor is used to. Correct answer A. Collect liquid refrigerant and prevent it from going to compressor. Question number 49. Accumulators should have adequate volume to store refrigerant charge at least. Correct answer C. 50%. Question number 50. At lower temperature and pressure, the latent heat of vaporization of a refrigerant. Correct answer B. Increases. Question number 51. A refrigeration cycle operates between condenser temperature of plus 27 degrees centigrade and evaporator temperature of minus 23 degrees centigrade. The Carnot coefficient of performance of cycle will be. Correct answer C. 5. Question number 52. Which of the following is not a desirable property of refrigerant? Correct answer C. Good electrical conductor. Question number 53. In vapor compression refrigeration system, refrigerant occurs as liquid between. Correct answer C. Expansion valve and evaporator. Question number 54. Pick up the correct statement about giving up of heat from one medium to other in ammonia absorption system. Correct answer B. Weak solution to strong solution. Question number 55. Efficiency of Carnot engine is given as 80% if the cycle direction be reversed. What will be the value of COP of reverse Carnot cycle? Correct answer D. 0.25. Question number 56. Highest pressure encountered in refrigeration system should be. Correct answer B. Much below critical pressure. Question number 57. If a heat pump cycle operates between the condenser temperature of plus 27 degrees centigrade and evaporator temperature of minus 23 degrees centigrade, then the COP will be. Correct answer D 6. Question number 58. A certain refrigerating system has a normal operating suction pressure of 10 kg per centimeter gauge and condensing pressure of about 67 kg per centimeter. The refrigerant used is. Correct answer B. Carbon dioxide. Question number 59. Aqua ammonia is used as refrigerant in the following type of refrigeration system. Correct answer D. Absorption. Question number 60. If the evaporator temperature of a plant is lowered, keeping the condenser temperature constant, the HP of compressor required will be. Correct answer B. More. Question number 61. In a refrigeration cycle, the flow of refrigerant is controlled by. Correct answer D. Expansion valve. Question number 62. Where does the lowest temperature occurs in vapor compression cycle? Correct answer B. Evaporator. Question number 63. The leaks in a refrigeration system using freon are detected by A. Question number. Correct answer A. Halide torch, which on detection produce greenish flame lighting. Question number 64. Risk of the incorrect statement. A. Lithium bromide used in vapor absorption cycle is non-volatile. Lithium bromide plant cannot operate below 0 degree centigrade. C. A separator is used in lithium bromide plant to remove the unwanted water vapor by condensing. D. Concentration of solution coming out of lithium bromide generator is more in comparison to that entering in the generator. E. Weak solution in liquid heat exchanger gives up heat to the strong solution. Correct answer C. A separator is used in lithium bromide plant to remove the unwanted water vapor by condensing. Question number 65. The lower horizontal line of the refrigeration cycle plotted on pressure enthalpy diagram represents. Correct answer B. Evaporation of refrigerant liquid. Question number 66. Mass flow ratio of ammonia NH3 in comparison to Freon 12 for same refrigeration load and same temperature limits is of the order of. Options A 1:1, B 1:9, C 9:1, D 1:3, E 3:1, and correct answer B 1:9. 67. Freon group of refrigerants are. Options A inflammable, B toxic, C non-inflammable and toxic, D non-toxic and inflammable, E non-toxic and non-inflammable. Correct answer E non-toxic and non-inflammable. Question number 68. Ammonia is. Correct answer D highly toxic and inflammable. Question number 69. In vapor compression cycle using ammonia as refrigerant, initial charge is filled at. Correct answer C high pressure side close to receiver. Question number 70. Short horizontal lines on pressure enthalpy chart show. Correct answer A constant pressure lines. Question number 71. On the pressure enthalpy diagram, condensation and de-superheating is represented by horizontal line because the process. Correct answer E takes place at constant pressure. Question number 72. 1 ton of refrigeration is. Correct answer C. The refrigeration effect to freeze 1 ton of water at 0 degrees centigrade into ice at 0 degrees centigrade in 24 hours. 73. Superheating in a refrigeration cycle. Options A increase COP, B decrease COP, C COP remains unaltered, D other factors decide COP, E unpredictable. Correct answer B decrease COP. 74. For proper refrigeration in cabinet, If the temperature and vapor pressure difference between cabinet and atmosphere is high, then correct answer C, perfectly tight vapor seal should be used. 75. Choose the correct statement. Statement A refrigerant should have low latent heat. B, if operating temperature of system is low, then refrigerant with low boiling point should be used. C, pre-cooling and subcooling B before refrigerants are same. D, superheat and sensible heat of a refrigerant are same. E, refrigerant is inside the lubes in case of direct expansion chiller. 76. The suction pipe diameter of refrigerating unit compressor in comparison to delivery side is correct answer A, bigger. Question number 77. Moisture in fluid refrigeration system causes correct answer C, freezing automatic regulating valve. Question number 78. The advantage of dry compression is that correct answer D, all of the above. It permits higher speed to be used. It permits complete evaporation in the evaporator. It results in high volumetric and mechanical efficiency. Question number 79. Choose the wrong statement. Temperature of medium being cooled must be below that of the evaporator. B, refrigerant leaves the condenser as liquid. C, all solar thermal operated absorption systems are capable only of intermittent operation. D, frost on evaporated reduce heat transfer. E, refrigerant is circulated in refrigeration system to transfer heat. Correct answer A, temperature of medium being cooled must be below that of evaporator. Undercooling in a refrigeration cycle. Correct answer A, increase COP. Question number 81. For obtaining high COP, the pressure range of compressor should be. Options are high, B, low, C, optimum, D, any value. Correct answer B, low. The coefficient of performance is the ratio of the refrigerant effect to the. Correct answer D, all of the above. Heat of compression, work done by compressor, enthalpy increase in compressor. The coefficient of performance of a refrigeration cycle with increase in evaporator temperature keeping condenser temperature constant will. Options are A, increase, B, decrease, C, remain unaffected, D, may increase or decrease depending on type of refrigerant used. E, unpredictable. Correct answer A, increase. Question number 84. Vertical lines on pressure enthalpy chart show constant. Correct answer C, total heat lines. Question number 85. Most of the domestic refrigerator work on the following refrigeration system. Correct answer A, vapor compression system. Question number 86. The general rule for rating refrigeration system excepting for carbon dioxide system is to approximate following HP per ton of refrigeration. Correct answer C, 1 to 2 horsepower per ton of refrigeration. 87. Reducing suction pressure in refrigeration cycle. Correct answer E, all of the above. Lower evaporation temperature, increased power required per ton of refrigeration, lower compressor capacity because vapor is lighter, reduced weight displaced by piston. Question number 88. Cooling water is required for following equipment in ammonia absorption plant. Correct answer E, condenser, absorber and separator rectifier. Question number 89. The refrigeration effect in dry evaporator compared to fluided evaporator in a similar plant. Correct answer C, less. Question number 19. The coefficient of performance of a refrigeration cycle with lowering of condenser temperature keeping the evaporator temperature constant. Correct answer A, increase. Question number 91. Which of the following refrigerants has lowest freezing point? Correct answer D, Freon 22. Question number 92. The coefficient of performance of a vapor compression plant in comparison to vapor absorption plant is. Correct answer A, more. Question number 93. The COP of a domestic refrigerator in comparison to domestic air conditioner will be. Correct answer C, less. Question number 94. The evolution of heat of solution take place in ammonia absorption plant when. Correct answer A. Ammonia vapor goes into solution. Question number 95. The change in evaporator temperature in a refrigeration cycle as compared to change in condenser temperature influence the value of COP. Correct answer A. More. Thank you friends for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you friends.